Hey, Mama. Yep, I see you. Busy, tired, and making sure your baby gets the best. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to pump your breast milk smoothly, safely, and comfortably. Let's go. Step 1. Prepare yourself. First, deep breath. Grab water, a towel, and make sure your pump is ready. Wash your hands. Really scrub. Your milk is liquid gold, Mama, and we want it safe. Step 2. Assemble your pump. Connect the parts. Flanges, tubing, bottles, everything clicks in place. Double check for leaks. Trust me, you don't want frustration here. Step 3. Positioning. Center the flange over your nipple. Not too tight, not too loose. Your nipple should move freely. Think of it like a gentle hug for your nipple. Comfort is key. Step 4. Start pumping. Turn on the pump. Start slow. Feel the rhythm. That first letdown, that's your milk saying, I'm ready. Don't rush. Let your body respond naturally. Step 5. Adjust in comfort. If it hurts, stop and reposition. Some mamas like a light breast massage toward the nipple. It encourages flow. Adjust suction to comfort, never pain. Step 6. Collect and store milk. Fill your bottles, leave a little room at the top. Gently remove flanges, cap bottles, and label with date. Store in fridge or freezer. Easy. Step 7. Clean up. Rinse, wash with warm soapy water, air dry. Clean pump, happy milk. Closing, encouraging. See? Smooth, safe, and comfortable. Pump with confidence, Mama. You've got this.